Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This was a real fun project for me. It took a while, but that's because there was a lot of attention given to details, and there was a vacation in there and some other stuff. But some of the things I ended up doing, I've got continuous grain across all the drawer fronts, matching grain tops and bottoms of the drawers, and continuous across my curved top rails. All the side panels are book matched from single pieces of wood, and I've got this gorgeous crotch figure over on the side that faces the room. It's going to be the most visible panel, so that'll be nice to it'll kind of just show off the piece and it'll look different, look unique. At least that's the hope. All of the drawers are constructed with dovetails, hand cut dovetails. Really happy with those, how those came out. And this glass, I was looking for something like this. I wanted just a little bit of texture to it, and I found a local little glass shop a couple miles from here, and they had the perfect glass, really, exactly what I was looking for. Just a hint of texture to it. You can't really tell until you kind of get up close to it. Exactly what's there just kind of gives it that old glass kind of look, which I like, and I think fits the piece. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos. I'm going to be having more coming out in the near future. I'll try and film as many of my projects as I can, get them out there so that maybe someone else can get something out of what I'm doing. So thanks a lot for your time. Hope you enjoyed it.